In this Excel video, we shall have a look at Excel macros and a bit of VBA coding to make the worksheet more interactive and interesting. In particular, we're going to have a look at input boxes and output boxes. So first of all, the spreadsheet. Simply going to have a macro button called how many days have I lived, and we'll be presented with two questions to enter your birth date and your name, which will then be displayed, and also a calculation to say how many days you have lived. So let's see how it works. Click on the button, macro is run, type in your birth date, just type in a fictitious date, 1992, type in my full name, John Legg. So you can see there, this is the input message box. An output box is then provided and shown. John Legg, you have been alive for 10,272 days. That's actually a bit more than that, but who cares? Click on OK, and then the results of what you've entered effectively are displayed in cells B1, B2 and B3. Your name, date of birth and the number of days lived. So let's have a look at the macro itself. Go into View, Macros, and then edit the macro. Here's the VBA code. So there's your procedure, macro name. First of all, we're declaring three variables. Dim is the declaration function. Your name, string, the date, and message will be a number. So first of all, the date will store whatever your date of birth is. And there's your input box function. The date diff function, the answer being stored in message, will calculate in days the number of days between the date, i.e. your date of birth, and today's date. Now, the results of your entered name into the input box are then stored into your name. You can see there another input box which you've also seen. Message box then is an output message box, and we're actually using the ampersand symbol to join together your name. You have been alive for 10,000 days. And the output of the results is then shown in the cells in column B, B1, B2 and B3. So it's quite a straightforward VBA procedure which I've written. Once again, in green we've got the comments. So I'm going to close that down. And there you have it. It's been saved as a macro enabled workbook so that you could have a go yourself and have a little play and see how the macro works. Enjoy!